No. Page 29, Dotted Rhythm Waltz. What? Well, it's a waltz. That means it's going to be a 3/4 time. If you look, yeah, it's a 3/4 time. And if you check, sure enough, there's dotted rhythms all over everywhere. So if you don't understand dotted rhythms, it's now or never, I'm afraid. I'll say the rule. Let's go over it. It's really important you understand this. The dot gets half the value of the note. Doesn't matter what the note is. It works on any note. Any dotted rhythm, doesn't matter. Dot gets half the value of the note. Look at the left hand. You have a B flat, because key of F major is a B flat. Dotted half note. It's a dotted note. The half note gets 2 counts in 3/4 time. It's the same as 2 quarter notes. 2 counts, because a quarter note gets a count. Well, if the half note gets 2 counts, then the dot's going to get 1 count, because that's half a 2. And you put them together. So the whole thing, the dotted half note, gets 3 counts. It's the same as 3 quarter notes. 2 quarter notes for the half note, 1 quarter note for the dot, 3 quarter notes total, a value of 3, and that's it. Dotted rhythm. Doesn't matter what's after it or before it. That's it. Well, in the right hand, we have a dotted quarter note. Well, a quarter note gets a count. So the dot's going to get half a count. 1.5 counts total. So that 8th note has to come on the end of the second beat. So it's 1 and 2 and, because the first 1.5 beats is the dotted quarter note. So really slowly, it's for the first full measure, the D here, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. That's dotted rhythm. It's really not that complicated, so do your best to understand it now, because we're going to get a lot. So to play the first few measures for you very slowly, it's this. Pick up beat, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Real slow. Then once you understand it and you can feel it, then you don't need to count it, you can feel the rhythm. What you don't do, I hope, is I don't understand it, play it for me, and I'll listen to you and copy you. Please don't do that. I hate that. Learn to figure these things out for yourself, and then check them with a, because the person you're copying may not be right. And that's that's really what this is all about. There's nothing tricky about this. Your hand may move around a little bit, but for the left hand, for the most part, you just got either single notes or you got chords. You got a 1 chord there in the first line at the end. The second line, second measure, that's a 5/7 chord, a dominant 7. And at the end, the last 2 measures is a 1 chord. And that's tied, so you're going to hang that down. Hold it down. Don't hang anything. To hold it down for 5 counts. 3 counts for the dotted half note and 2 counts for the half note. 5 counts total. There's a lot of math in this, isn't there? But we may need to invest in a calculator, I'm not sure. A couple little things to watch out for. In the right hand, you've been in this position pretty much the whole time. In the last line, the first measure is fine. Second measure, you're here with second note, second finger, but now you got to bring the second finger up to the C. You're between a phrase, so you can lift up and move, and that's fine. That puts you in position to the end until the very end. You have a high F, and then reach down to get the last 2 Fs. It's an octave. Hopefully you can reach that. You need to connect them. After you play the first F on the bottom, you can clap your hands, because you don't need any more high notes, so you can let your hand go down. I like to try this with you very slowly. Now it's got to pick up, so I'm going to give us 2 beats. Count in, I'm going to count in. I'm going to go ready, go, and then we take off. They just go. Well, so put your right hand where it goes, and left hand here. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. 2.